In today's short analysis video, we'll discuss on United Health Group stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken down from an important support level, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already been materialized. There are multiple negative factors which has already been triggered, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate a short sell position before a big correction get triggered on the downside. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, you will be notice that this was in bottom where the stock had given a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, we have noticed that stock has given a bustling upside rally, and there was an back-to-back higher highs. If you'll see over here, the first higher high is registered here, the second higher high is over here, and the third higher high is here. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows. And this is it. And this is an area where we got the confirmation. Here we got a two major confirmation. Here we got a two major negative signal. The first one is the upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside. As soon as the upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, that the upside bustling rally got a immediate rejection. And along with that, the second negative signal, the higher highs shifted to lower lows. And whenever we find that higher highs is getting shifted to lower lows, we take that as a confirmation that stock has entered officially into a correction. And my dear friends, now we will check the third negative signal. If you put a RSI, if you put an RSI over here, you'll be able to notice there is a negative diversion. The price action had given you the higher highs peak, but the same peak is missing out in the RSI. And this is an area where we got a broken down. This is an area we get a breakdown. And my dear friends, now we will identify the fourth major negative signal. If you'll make a closer look here, you'll be able to notice there is a Darvas box pattern got triggered. If you'll see over here, there is a range breakout, or you can say it has a Darvas box pattern breakdown. And now due to this breakdown, the very first immediate target we can witness very soon will be $297 on the downside. And the second, the second target, the stock may come to fill the gap on the downside. There is a high probability that stock may come down to fill the gap of $274. And if you want to keep the stop loss, has, unless and until the stock won't give you the closing about $382, that this will be the area where the stop loss will be. The short seller stop loss will be $383, unless and until the stock won't give you the close above 383. Every high or the every bounce have to utilize as a short selling opportunity to ride the stock on the downside. And overall, my friends, here we have find the four major negative signal. The first one is upper sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside. The second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows. The third one is there is a negative diversion between the price action and the RSI. And the fourth one is there is a Darvas box pattern breakout. That is, and Darvas box pattern breakdown, or you can say it as a range breakdown. So with due to all these four major negative signal, the stock will be under severe pressure to move on the downside. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.